To sign up for a Walmart account, start by opening your browser and visiting walmart.com. Click on the Sign In option located at the upper right corner of the screen. Then select Sign In or Create Account. Enter your email address and click Continue. Next, provide your name details as they appear on your identification. Create a password and click on the Create an Account button. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a verification email containing a code, which you will need to enter on the Walmart sign up page. Once your email is verified, click on Verify Number and enter your phone number. Wait for a verification code to be sent to your phone via text message. Then enter the code. Finally, click on the Verify and Create Account button. Verifying your email and phone number is an essential step in the sign-up process, as it provides an added layer of security and helps with account recovery in case you lose access. The sign-up process is relatively simple and straightforward, making it easy to create a Walmart account.